Grandpa's reading glasses, which he had been using for several years, suddenly broke at the temple. Seeing Grandpa, I felt really reluctant. We decided to fix the glasses temple ourselves, which had a broken screw hole, restoring it to its original condition. After watching We Started process, I truly understood what it means when they say experts are among the common people. First, we bent a staple into the shape of a small fish. Then we took a nail and inserted it into the two small holes intended to hold the glasses temple in place, securing the staple between the two holes. Second, we used aluminum foil tape to fix the glasses temple to the tabletop and placed the glasses vertically over the head of the temple. We then pressed the previously fixed staple into the glasses temple with a soldering iron until it melted in. At this point, it's easy to understand that we intended to use the staple to replace the missing screw hole in the temple. However, it was obvious that the hole formed by the staple was loose and unusable. Therefore, the next step was to cover the staple with a layer of material. First, we inserted the steel nail into the small hole of the staple he had just fixed. Because the glasses were black, we chose the same black graphite powder as the filler. The production method was very simple. Just grind a pencil core into powder. He poured the graphite powder over the staple and steel nail, then added a few drops of glue on top. Repeating this process several times, the glue quickly fused with the graphite powder. After it solidified, it formed a very hard composite, even stronger than the original plastic component. After the mixture completely hardened, we removed the nail from the middle and used a utility knife to cut the area as shown in the video. Then he repeatedly sanded it with fine sandpaper until the width of the filled part was about 1/3 of the glasses temple. This way, the broken glasses temple screw hole was basically restored to its original shape. We fixed it back onto the glasses with a screw. To make the repair process even more flawless, we used a cotton swab to apply spray paint to the repaired area. If you didn't look closely, you could hardly see any signs of repair, and the strength of the repaired glasses was no different from that of new ones. Like, subscribe, share, and check more video tips.